everyone, let's make a fun fruit art. Today we are going to put two oranges together and make the ears of the cat using leaf. Draw its face and similar way paste its tail, and look, it's ready. Look at this beautiful artwork. Let's make it. For that we are going to cut the shape from the cardboard. Now flip it and paste tape on the back side. After this we are going to collect some green leaves and paste all of them, and look, it's ready. Let's make eco-friendly Christmas tree. We're going to make a cone, roll this blue craft paper, paste all the leaves on it using double-sided tape, add more pearls, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Let's make a fun craft. Cut the snail shape on the cardboard, and using these cone pines we're going to cut all of them, paste it like this, and look, your snail is ready. Take some colorful foam net, fold all of them, roll it, tie it, cut it, and look, your flowers are ready. We are going to paste all of them on this dry twig. Using hot glue gun, dab it on this spot, and look, your flower pot is ready. Let's make bow and arrow at home. I'm sure your kids gonna love it. It's a very fun craft. We are going to tie all the earbuds together using rubber band, and look, your bow is ready, and you can put another earbud as arrow. Look at this magical fun craft. Let's make it. So cut this pink circle, fold it and make a cone, put straw and put a balloon on the top of it, blow it, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.